Hey, do you ever wonder, in spite of studying English in school for more than 10 years, why do you still have a hard time expressing yourself when it comes to English? In spite of watching several video tutorials and even after taking additional courses in vocabulary, grammar, and spoken English, you still don't feel confident while speaking in public. Maybe you're using the wrong tools for the job. Maybe you brought a knife for a gunfight. Hi and Namaskar. Learning Curve में आप सबका स्वागत है. A singular collaborative platform for polishing all of your new made skills. Now our organization has been fortunate enough to empower countless numbers of students across India so that they can achieve their desired career goals by teaching them the right set of skills such as public speaking, creative writing, technology, digital marketing and human exactly based on the current demand of professional job market. We also provide them handheld assistance for fruitful placement opportunities, and by this humble effort we are going global now. Now, taking the first and the foremost highly demanded skill in mind, and after a research of more than 3 years, we have designed an unmatched curriculum to make you a master of public speaking and creative writing. This curriculum will also provide you a 360-degree approach towards the language English by live classes, by handouts and booklets, by our worksheets, by live projects, clubs, competitions, and first time ever interactive video lessons filled with animations for a complete understanding of every concept taught. Our courses are designed age appropriately so that it suits everyone's learning needs, whether they are a beginner or an intermediate, advanced or elevated, which is specifically designed for working professionals. Just to show you the outline of our WOW curriculum, we will first start with covering each and every concept of English grammar, then moving to sentence structure, word uses, vocabulary, building your confidence as strong as a mountain, then working on your voice and tonality. Then we'll work on your thought structure, body language, content writing capabilities, and on your presentation skills. Total 75 classes in a span of 6 months, and you got a complete personality transformation. Please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe our channel to know more. Be a master in the art of public speaking and creative writing. Get in touch with us. Call or WhatsApp or click on the link below to book your free trial class today. Thank you for watching.